compound. Where is he?
Madam Landlady, welcome. He's Ogodinaka. He just went upstairs now.
And so? If he doesn't come and remove this rickety car out of here, I am going to set it ablaze.
Ablaze? No!
What is wrong with him? Is he mad? Is he crazy? What kind of rubbish is this now? What insolence? How? How? Why?
Madam, hey, I'm very sorry, honestly. I didn't know you were going to come back this soon. I actually forgot my phone, so I ran back from work to pick it. That's why I packed it, but I'm leaving. Just press back in it to let me drive out. I'm sorry.
How dare you? How dare you block my way to my compound? At the same time, command me how to do? On what to do? Are you crazy?
You slapped me.
Is something wrong with your head?
You...
Hey! You want to slap me back? Onaka, you want to slap me back? Hey! Let me see how you're going to do this. Mukina walanja! Mukina chakasanya! We shall see.
Madam, move your car backwards. Let me go back to work.
Come on, move me now.
Madam, please, let me go back to work.
God will punish you.
I'm telling you this, move your car. Let me go back to work.
God will punish you today.
I know. Move your car. Let me go back to work.
You! I will deal with you. You just block my way to my compound.
Madam, move your car. Let me go back to work.
I own this compound.
Move your car. Let me go back to work.
This is my compound. I'm the landlord of this house. You block my way. You!
If you don't move this car, anything, I will take it though.
Nonsense! You use your head to carry out that car. Idiots! I'm mafia. If you're ready to talk, you talk. You don't go. You don't show the house. You don't talk to say man. I'm mafia. Idiots! What nonsense! Honey, enough is enough. This one, I am not going to take it lightly. What insolence? Eh?
That's what I'm saying. What happened? Who provoked you?
This is a heavy insult on my person. Just go down and meet the useless tenants of yours that call himself Odinaka. He should come and apologize to me for what he did. Now! Else, I am going to set his car ablaze.
You know, it's something I will do. Hey! But my problem is that what did he do to you so that I will know how to handle it?
So you want me to start explaining to you as a child in the class, complaining to his teacher? Eh? Before you do anything, you're still saying eh? I am coming to set that car ablaze. I am coming to step. Oh God. Hi! Odinaka is trying me.
What have I done to this woman now? Have you seen it? Have you seen it? What have I done to this woman now?
Ogodinaka, sorry now, eh? You know this woman. She's a mad dog. Just forgive her. Go and beg her. So that she will remove the car.
Me go and beg who? I will leave this car here. Nobody will go out today. I'm using the bike to go to work. What is this? Odinaka, what is happening here? I said, what is happening here? Okay, did you see what your wife did to me? She came out here and saw my car parked. She didn't even allow me to explain and she landed a hot slap on my cheek.
And so, if your landlady slap you, it is called correction slap. You should take it in good faith.
Is that what you're saying?
And listen to me. If you say any rubbish again, I will give you my own slap.
Do what? I told you that she came here and saw me and said ranting and shouting without even allowing me to talk. And you say you will slap me? You won't dare it.
How dare you?
You will not dare it!
How dare you speak such foul words about my wife? Inayala! Are you mad? Yeah. You mad?
What?
How dare you slap me? Are you sick? You are sick, you and your wife.
Fuck you all. Hey! Landlord, hey!
What? Hey! Jesus! What your main tenant slapped you? Jesus Christ! Hey! Jesus Christ! Jesus Christ! Am I dreaming? Hey! But the Naka will come and see me today. I am going to show him the stuff I am made of. Can you imagine? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
You don't need to worry yourself. The
Right
idiot has given himself a quick notice.
Oh!
And he will quit immediately. Odola!
It's like
I
am dreaming. Am I dreaming? I am. Call the lawyer immediately. Call the lawyer immediately.
will call the lawyer.
Even the police, so he is going to be arrested.
Yes. I will call
What are you still waiting for? Fine, get the phone and call the lawyer. Eh? They will arrest him. He is going to be arrested. What insolence? Jesus Christ. A man tenant?
So, tell me what happened?
My sister, it's our landlady, the goddess. She slapped Odinaka.
What? Why?
She said Odinaka blocked her way.
So, she slapped him simply because he blocked her way.
Also,
So, what did Odinaka do?
Odinaka did not do anything. Rather, the woman went upstairs and called her soldier, bulldozer of her husband. The man came downstairs and slapped Odinaka the second time.
It's a lie. I know this is too much. Because we will not take it like redemption.
I am still telling you a story. Odinaka got angry and retaliated. He slapped the man back, entered Okada and left.
Are you serious?
If you go out there now, you will see the two cars blocked our gates.
Really? They are the one in this apartment today. Oh. Hey! This woman.
You slapped him back. I will do it again if I had the opportunity. How would that woman slap me? I can't put the slap on top. Why? If that woman were my wife, can I not feed her in my house? I have left that car there. I will not remove it. Whatever will happen, let it happen.
These guys are the landlord. They are the owners of this house. They have offended you. Yes, I know. Don't forget, if this man gives you quick notice, you don't have money to pay for a new house right now. Get big is your church. Where will you start from?
I don't care. At this point, I've had it up to here. Whatever will happen, let it happen. We have endured enough and respected him enough with that same threat. Is it because he's my landlord? Am I not a human being? What is wrong with him? I will leave it there. If the heavens will fall, let them fall. I won't remove that car.
You're making a mistake. You're making a mistake at this point. Look, they are the landlord. They can do any shit and get away with it. Just let them go with it. Ego.
Yes. Yes. Do it immediately. Immediately. Don't waste time. Immediately. Nonsense.
That's the certain right.
That boy must leave my house.
So
that he will know that it's not easy to own a house.
Other reason buy a bag of cement. How about not the reason? Actually, not easy. It will do now. It's not easy. But they won't understand. It's
Just forgive her.
This is a game for that. Mom 188. You're back, eh? I can't say beg. Can't say beg.
So, landlady, please don't be offended. Can you please remove your car so that he will take his own car?
Or the Dikeh has the guts to block my way to my compound, my own compound. And at the same time, slap my husband. Eh?
Why would you slap me? Am I your slave? Do I look like your child? Why would you slap me? Try it now. Madam, it's okay. Why are you getting now? What is wrong with you? Don't you know you're a man?
You don't know the offense you just committed. You are just putting yourself into a very hot soup. Story, eh? Apa story? Okay. Apa akiko? Akiko? Iga half akiko.
Let me come on a map of over.
Iga half akiko.
Okay, let me help you remove the car then.
Get out. Do you have a car? Do you have a car? You want to have a taste of my AC? Is your mother a landlady? Eh?
No.
Even one landlord. Park here somewhere. Oh, Naka. You will hear from the lawyer.
I'm waiting for the lawyer.
You will hear from the lawyer.
Don't tell me this to go.
In a 1 year. About to go with you.
Come. How far?
NG baby. You see what happened in this compound?
Happened? Where?
Is it not the landlord? The landlord slapped your husband.
Moi? Slapped my husband?
But why? I walk one guy no yours. But why? Man, have my man there and me there.
But why? Why?
See more why? If it's my journey.
Okay. Where is Onye?
You want to go and back your other? That's why we're waiting for her. No, why?
Don't tell me that. Don't tell me that. I will not apologize to that man. I have made my stand known to you.
Odinaka, you will. Don't forget the fact that we really have issues with the landlord that we're trying to sort with him. Let us not make mistakes and complicate issues.
I do not care at this point. I, Odinaka, will not apologize to that man or his wife. Whatever will happen, let it happen.
Exactly. My husband is not going anywhere.
Ngozi, I understand that you're hurt. I know where you're coming from. Please, I beg you guys, calm down. We need to use wisdom and follow this bill.
What is wise about a woman slapping my husband and him going to apologize to her? Tell me what is wise about it? You're just asking him to go and for what?
You even think about what you're telling me to do? Who does that? A woman slaps me and then I retaliate with her husband and you are sitting here telling me to go beg him. Now give me mercy. Because they have a building, I will not do that.
Pat, no, it's not happening.
Whatever we're doing now, we're doing it for our children.
I was going to be far past. I was going to be this thing here.
Nonsense.
Honey, please, nah, don't go there.
Why should I go there? Why would she do such a thing? That woman has put her husband in problem by slapping a family man.
Honey, I know. But other parts, they are trying to sort things out.
Sort what out? Eh? Calm down. If I were him, I would have beaten her out of that woman. Oda Yara.
You want to put us in trouble?
No! Let me go and see them.
You're not going anywhere. Okay? You're not going anywhere.
Okay, Naya. You show me the gun. Give me a chance.
You are not going anywhere. What is it? What is it?
What are you doing in my house? What are you doing in my house?
apologies. He's very sorry, please. Forgive him.
But are you out of your mind? Do you know what this idiot did? This idiot slapped me. And you are telling me to forgive him? Forgive him for what? Do you know what that means? Landlord Magola, Imagolia. Landlord Imagola, Imagolia. Oh, my house, your floor. Go and tell the landlord. Oh, God, go cement. Oh, where Mamola. Landlord Magolia. You will see what I'm doing. Look at me.
I'm sorry. I've come to apologize and tell you I'm sorry.
Sorry,
What
boy.
is you there?
Okay, no, please. Find a place to forgive him.
See, he's kneeling down just because he's sorry. He's very sorry for what he did.
Please, I'm sorry. Forgive me.
We don't want that. We don't want it.
Yes!
He must pack up for this.
Yes!
He must pack up for this house.
Yes!
Madam, please now. Please.
For the Naka has the gut to slap my husband. His landlord. On a man of what?
Pico, forgive him.
But! Do you want transfer aggression? If you're anyone, that was exactly what he said.
Look at you.
Take this boy out of this place. I don't want to see him again. If you don't take this boy out, I will transfer everything to you now.
It has to go to your
Well, I'm sorry. Maron Nantiagazu Wuru. I didn't know.
Pat! Take him out of this place.
Take him out.
Take him out!
Take him out!
Leave my house.
This is one thing I cannot take. Yeah? A woman to slap me as if that one was not enough. The husband came and slapped me also. No. Or the Naka did not do what I like. If I were him, I would have given Landlord the beating of his life.
Exactly. Who does she think she is? Is it because she is the landlady? Is she the first person to marry someone that owns a house? Well, she slapped my husband.
Had it been that I met them, I wouldn't have supported Pat to take him to Landlord for apology.
That was what I told Pat, but he insisted. Hi.
Honey, please, it's okay. Calm down. Let's wait for them to come out first.
This is man humanity to man.
It's okay.
It is not okay. It is not okay. Stop saying that it is okay. It is not okay. She did not slap your husband. It is not okay.
After all, we are paying him.
You don't do that to your tenants. You don't. Let's wait.
Ezinle, why haven't you brought my bottle? I waited for you yesterday, I did not see you. Even the money too. You know it's money I use in buying all these things. Eh?
Oni, is that why you're shouting? Oni, you saw me coming back from somewhere and you actually stopped me because of bottle. Abi money, which one? Oni! I don't understand. Does it mean that you want to disgrace me in the public?
How? How is it a disgrace? That I'm asking for my bottle and my money? Eh?
I don't blame you. How much is that bottle? Eh? How much is the bottle that made it to be dancing? I don't understand. Is that why you're pouring spit on me? Respect yourself, oh. Don't try it next time.
Yeah, isn't there? Don't insult me, oh. Don't insult Onyebeke. I am not your mate.
I should not insult Onyebeke. We shall see. I need that phone.
Look at this girl, oh. If you wear them to the bottle, don't worry. Maybe I will stop selling to you. That's when you will know that even I can not Nyala. If you never go to the bottle. You can't come here.
I know you just accepted Odinaka's apology just for him to go. Because there is nothing that will stop him from packing out from this house. He must pack out, oh. He must pack out.
Yes, that was exactly what I did. He can eat his cake and have it.
Can you imagine?
After giving me this kind of slap, what kind of
apology?
And then I was looking. There's one file I was looking for here.
File?
A file, yes.
Oh. Mama, how was the lesson today? Your face is not bright.
Mommy, I have been humiliated. Better go and warn that old fool that calls herself mommy. Because what she did today, if she tries it next time, I will not take it lightly with her. I will not.
Wait, Chelu. Did she talk bad at you?
Daddy, can you imagine? Just because I'm owing her 17 naira for a bottle of Fanta, that is why she disgraced me today. Even the people that were passing were looking at me as if I stole something from her shop.
Hey!
In my own house?
In the emotional. After did you hear her? Hey! Hey! Oyi! That old cargo. I got my baby. Wants my trouble this afternoon. I am going to give it to you now. Write down. Go and get the bottle. Go and get that bottle.
However you can handle it. Nonsense.
Only the fire.
What kind of nonsense is this, Ronnie?
Oh, you man bad shit. Come here. I got my baby.
On to police join me and baby.
Hey! Bring the bottle.
Ordinata. Why did you go to beg him? Eh? Look, if he does such a thing to me, I swear, I will not take it lightly with him. Yeah, it's okay. I said, gone there to apologize. No problem.
Ngozi, I have suffered. You see? Only have you heard him? When I say you are too calm, you are too gentle, they will think I don't know what I'm saying. You even went and knelt down.
It was Pat. It was Pat that convinced me to go there and do that. That was why I did. If not, ordinarily I would not go and beg him because he hurt me. But Pat talked and I had to give in.
Okay, no problem. I've heard you. You see that? I will confront her woman to woman. She's a woman like me. She cannot humiliate my husband. It is not possible.
Honey, you won't do that, please. Let's not escalate this talk. Let's not get worse than it is already. Please, I'm begging you.
Ordinaka, allow her to handle the situation.
Don't tell her that now. Why do you want to make the situation worse than it is already? You will not do that, please.
It's okay.
That is that Cargo. What is that your name? Let it be the first and last you will raise your nonsense voice on my daughter. Look at me. I will shock you in this street. You know me now. I am going to shock you in this street. You want to try me, Abby?
Madam Landlady, I did not do anything to her. I only told her to give me my bottle and my money. That's all.
Come on, shut up! You're such a big liar. You were shouting at me.
Me shouting at you.
Come on. Look at you. Eh? How much is it that you can't leave for her? How much is the money? Answer me. Are you not owing us rent? Have you paid the rent you're owing us in this house? You are not talking again. Eh? I have warned you. I have warned you. Don't raise your filthy voice on my daughter again. Unless you need my action, you need my shock, and I will give it to you. Take your money, and you can keep the change for yourself. Old Cargo, I got my baby. You will soon leave this shop.
Landlord, I'm very careful. Landlord, I'm very careful.
Sometimes I wonder why the Catholic Church will make someone like our landlord knight.
Forget that talk. You think it's everybody that's a knight, that's a good person? Let him continue in his iniquity. One day his sins shall find him out.
Junior,
Stop. I said stop it! I go to your room.
Gina, didn't you hear her? Didn't you hear her? Go into your room before I... Where's my kid? I'll flog you.
Oh! You don't have to be hard on him. He's still a child. Remember father said, if you want to hit a child, you get hold of him first. What if he slips and falls? Hit his head on the wall.
Children must be corrected. Train up a child in the way he should grow. When he grows, he will not depart from it. Spare the rod and spoil the child because they can.
He's still a child.
Oni, not allow it to bother you.
Huh? My problem is not the money. Eh? Why would that little girl be insulting me? Why would she insult me? What did I do to her? Eh? Am I not old enough to be her mother? Or because I'm still single? Because she's the landlord's daughter. That's why they're intimidating me in this compound. Huh?
Oni, I will say insist. Take it easy. But one thing I will assure you is that that girl will live to regret everything she has done to you.
Yes.
One thing.
Yes.
For me,
God is watching them.
Madam, we're telling you, madam now.
Look at this guy!
What's wrong, guys?
They got to move to Biko. Have fun now! Whoa! Now, what time is Chelsea match today?
8 p.m. But let me tell you something. Man, you will deal with your people. Man, you will Man, you. Man, you. See now.
You think it's my mouth? What's up now?
We're talking about the landlord, how do you get to make the landlord respect to protect him.
Since you have decided that we go back him, it's not my mind though, but we'll go. So that we won't hide.
Should I open it?
Yes, are you okay? Onyi, what is it?
I'm not okay, I'm not okay.
You're not okay, what happened?
The landlady broke her bottle.
Jesus Christ.
Why? Serious matter. Very serious matter.
You see what I've been saying? If I talk now, you say I'm talking too much, I'm being strong-headed. Why would she come and break somebody's bottle? What is this now? Is it because we're all her tenants? Don't we pay for this place? What is it? And you let her go? And you let her go? You see the kind of things you cause? Because you're always the one interceding and begging.
Our landlord.
Kagini mezia. Kagini mezia. Moano kwa nife wa yao. Bomaya biko.
God is watching. God is watching.
What kind of human beings are these?
God now watch. I'll take one more bottle ever. Like we were saying before now. Before you walked in, we were talking about the protector thing. How do we reach out to the landlord for him to give us the access to go ahead and mount it?
We should go and tell him our mind.
Which means we have to alert other tenants. Let's see him in the morning. If we meet him this evening, he may, because of what happened, chase us out.
We are not going there to suggest or to beg. We are going there to tell him that this is what we want to do.
Still better.
Okay.
That's why we are here. We have all agreed that the cost of putting the protector will be our responsibility. We are promising you here and now, we are going to do a good job. You will like it.
One person amongst you people has briefed me on this.
Yes, Chief. I was the one who told you about it earlier.
And what was my response?
You told me you were going somewhere at that time, that I should come back later, that we'll discuss it when you were back.
Okay. The answer to your question is no. Typical no. That is the answer. Nobody should in any way add or subtract anything in my house. After all, you all back into this house. And we had an agreement. We agreed agreed that you people are packing into my house the way my house is. And under no circumstance should anybody bring any kind of information in my house. Now listen to me. Oh, well, I never name now, Kulu Kuliano Mono. When I am no more, when I am going to bank. Never gone now, no landlord.
Chief, you're getting it all wrong. Chief. Be very careful. Chief, I do not expect this to be an issue, honestly. I just want you to look at it from the human angle. Eh? We're saying this because if you observe, all of us here, we are all the ones living upstairs.
Exactly.
We have children.
Yes.
And it is risky for them. It's dangerous. We're trying to fix this for our own safety, and we expect that you both understand this.
Hey.
Please.
Oh God.
Please.
Eh? Look at them. Look at it. Doesn't matter. See their faces. What is it that he said that you don't understand? Why is it that men that live in this compound are so dull?
That is.
So dull for my life.
That is.
He doesn't want you to add or subtract anything to this compound, to this house. If you don't like it, you pack out.
Pack out.
Leave now. Other houses are there.
Landlady, please.
Please.
Yes.
Hey. Oh, I don't know why it's very hard for you to understand. Simple thing.
People have conspired. This is a conspiracy against your landlord to pull my house down.
Oh yeah.
I want all of you to leave my house now and immediately.
If we have not concluded this thing, see, these children are at risk.
This early morning.
We have to do something.
You plastic here. You idiot. You plastic here. So maybe you want to slap me again, eh? You want to slap me again?
Slap her.
Madam, I will destroy you, destroy your family, destroy everything.
Leave now.
Landlord, we are trying to reason with you here. We just want you to understand us.
I say, leave my house.
If you want me to say sorry till next day, I will say it. Please, don't take what happened yesterday to heart. Okay, see now, you want to buy noodles and toothpaste. You did not even come to buy from me. I'm sorry now.
Yes. I'm going to buy them somewhere else because I don't want your insults this early morning. Yes. And let me tell you something. My family will never buy something from the shop again. That is if you even stay longer again.
Isn't it nonsense? Isn't I am sorry now? I said I am sorry. Please. Okay, see, anything.
Stop touching me!
I'm sorry. Anything you want to buy, I will give you from my shop. Even if you want to pay less, no problem. Please.
You're saying sorry and you're standing up.
No, I am already leaving down.
I want to go and prepare for lesson. Maybe when I come back, I will give a thought to what you just said. Okay? Nonsense.
I told you that man will never agree to our terms. I don't care. Whether he accepts or not, I will do my own.
But if you choose to do your own myself, I will do my own too.
I don't even know why it's an issue. I'm not even thinking about it anymore. I've made up my mind. I am going to do that. We're talking about safety of our kids. We have children in this compound. Their lives are at stake. I mean, you're telling me this.
Please. We all are making good points. But at this juncture, I suggest we go to our businesses. Come back in the evening and deliberate more on this. What do you think?
And I've been a good business.
What is wrong with you? We're talking about human life. You're talking about money.
Please, you don't kill your part.
In my business, you can't believe it.
No, just look at the way he is.
The apology.
Meaning what?
Are you calling me?
What did you people discuss with the tenants? Because I saw them downstairs. I don't know what they are talking about.
Whatever they like, let them talk about. All I know is they're not putting that protector. Let them gather all their village people and do meeting against us. They are not putting any protector.
Listen, you go downstairs like this with your nightgown. Where you are going out? Anyway, honey, whatever they like, let them discuss. All I know is that I will be posting them.
Yes.
Buying time.
Yes.
That's all I know.
Keep on posting them. I'm a one.
And mommy, even Oni was apologizing to me over yesterday's issue.
I hope you didn't buy this thing from her shop.
Am I mad?
Oh.
Go and change this thing.
You're late for lesson, no. You're late for lesson, mind you. Be fast. Look at these people, they're still doing meeting. Eh? Never India. Hey.
I don't care. Look at my daughter. She always climbs the place. I will show the man that I'm not afraid of him, that I respect him.
Honey, please. I don't want us to get into trouble with these people. If the man said he doesn't want it, then let it be.
I can't. My daughter's life is at stake. Yeah? What we tenants need now is to be united. And that's what we are doing. Except those two idiots that are living downstairs. They are claiming to be wise.
I've said my own no. I don't want any trouble with anybody. Ada, let's go to the kitchen.
So, how was it? How did it go?
As usual, as if I know this man would always maintain his stand. He refused.
Tony, I don't want you to be in the frontier. Just let others do theirs first before you do it. You know how stubborn and wicked this man could be. Oh, please.
Because whenever you're talking, be having the interest of this family at heart. You know we have a son here in this house. You know how playful and stubborn Junior can be. What if the impossible happens? Have you thought about it? Why are you talking like this? We're talking about our safety. As far as I'm concerned, I will do everything possible because I paid for this apartment to keep myself and my family safe. If he doesn't want us to live here, he should come out plain and let us know. So that if we want to pack out and look for other places, we can go. What is this about every day? He keeps telling us, the last time he told me he was going somewhere. Today again, he's still adamant. What is it?
You know this man better. I just don't want you to be the first to do it. Just chill, oh? Just wait for someone else to do it, like I said earlier.
At this point, I do not care. I will do everything it takes to keep my family safe.
Junior, hurry.
In a hurry so you don't go late for school. Have you eaten?
Oni! Come here, Oni, come here. Come on, shut up what is good about the money. Now listen to me. I heard that today you insulted my daughter, the daughter of the landlord. You insulted her just because she bought 70 naira Fanta or whatever amount, I don't know. You insulted her. Now, if I start dealing with you the way other landlords used to deal with people, they will say that Chief Omi is wicked. I wasn't wicked.
I am sorry, sir. Please forgive me, sir.
Come on, shut up and hear me out. Also, I'm sorry.
Honey,
now you're saying I'm sorry.
There is nothing to talk to her about. Eh? The best thing for her is to just pack out and look for another shop. Simple.
I said I'm sorry. I've even begged Ezine. I've begged her. Apologize, ma. I'm sorry.
You begged her after insulting the landlord's daughter. Don't you know that the landlord's daughter is just like a princess?
I know.
That is what she's like.
I know, sir.
You don't have any reason whatsoever to insult her.
Sorry, sir.
Now listen to me. What you have to do now is this. Kneel down before her and beg her. If you know the way one should kneel down for a princess, kneel down and beg her. If not, you will go out from this shop and nothing can stop it.
Sir, I can even lie down and beg her. I will beg her, sir. Please, because...
Next time, if we buy something from your shop, you allow us to be. When it's deemed fit for me to come and pay you, I will come and pay you. It's better for you now to choose your choice, so no, make your choice now.
No, ma, you can even buy and pay next year. I don't have any
It's a blessing for a landlord to owe you money. It's a big blessing.
Big blessing.
You understand?
Yes,
you should be wise.
Big blessing. Bye-bye.
All right.
Landlord, I'm very careful. Landlord, I'm very careful.
Come back, please. Make sure this girl apologizes.
Of course, now she will apologize to my daughter.
Okay?
Huh.
You understand?
If she didn't apologize, we will pack out.
Please, make sure she apologizes.
She will apologize.
Make sure.
She must.
I don't want any insult. I don't need that.
What kind of insult is that?
Come back, do it. I'll be back higher. The next one I will be back.
Your daughter, what's the meaning of this?
Sorry.
Eh? You know that I'm coming. I'm sorry. Can't you see? You don't see? You don't have eyes.
She's lying to me.
I slap on Naga. Why can't I slap you? Don't you know that when you're coming down from staircase, you have to slow down? Give me the water. Maybe I give her a gap. Eh?
Honey, what is it?
What's the meaning of this, eh? What is this? No, leave me alone. On your skin.
How dare you? Eh? How dare you slap my husband?
It's okay. It's okay.
Look at you. Oh, you want to fight me? You want to fight me? Okay, wait. I am coming.
Even you that was shouting for Naka, you are here calming me down. Eh? It can't happen. Can't be one. Can't wear you. I find you able to better.
I saw you put to the cocoa tree.
Leave me alone. You have allowed me to deal with this woman. What is this, eh? Hey! Eh?
How I rose? You know what? You have to wait for me. Let me just finish this small work. Yeah? Let me bring seat. No problem.
Try me next time. I will give it to her again and again.
It would have been a different case.
As in, if the man is around, he would not do anything. If they mess up, how many pick him? They pack out.
Yes, they will pack out. Kill the echo be here.
By shame.
I'm not say. How am I going to go at
oh,
Ibu go landlord.
How am I
Ibu go landlady.
How am I go?
He just go meeting in the landlord. And a mess. Oh,
how many film on getting?
That woman is very heartless. How can she come into your apartment to fight you?
I won't do this. I won't do this thing anymore. If my husband cannot do anything, I must do something this time. I won't face this again, then I will do something.
No, I will not support that. I would suggest you wait for the landlord to come, then you tell him. Don't do anything harsh.
What will he say? If I tell you, what will he say? Nothing. Of course he will support his wife. Just look at my body. Oh, hi. On a normal day, will she do anything? On a normal day, I will kill both of them. Oh, Nadiwa. Oh, but the time I don't know I will take this in my mouth. I did not do anything. I will take it. I will take it.
It's okay, the baby.
Oh, wow.
It's okay.
Okay, lady. Nadiwa. Nadiwa.
Landlord, I'm very careful. Landlord, I'm very careful. Just keep me going.
What is it? I am sorry.
Please forgive me.
You are sorry for what? Sorry for what? Have we not talked about this? Why are you disturbing my life? What is your problem, Seth?
I know we have talked about it, but your father insisted I should kneel down and beg you again.
Okay. Kneel down now. Why are you still standing? Come out of the sun and kneel down.
I'm very careful.
Lie down.
Just
Hey, Zina, please, I am sorry. Whatever I've done to you, in fact, you can come and buy anytime, buy anything. Don't pay, just go. Hey. Hey. How the reason? Hey.
You know what? You're a good person.
Hey.
Don't worry. I will tell my father that you've done what he asked you to.
Tenant, this is my house. Live up where you see it. I'm gonna this is my house. I like I see
Why were you lying before that little girl?
Come here, go out. You will not understand. Hey, no, welcome. Welcome. Hi. Hi.
Honey, you have to come back home now. Yes! That man is not afraid of you. Yes! They are there now. Okay, you're coming. Better. Can you imagine? Eh? What nonsense! Hi!
I'm very careful. I'm very careful. Just give me go ahead. Can I hear them? I just see summer with my own money. Hey, 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 hey.
Why are you crying?
Just calm down. I'm getting here. The wife will the landlady. The landlady talking to the house.
Landlady. It's okay. I will handle it. It's okay. How can she bust into my house?
That's wrong. We always wrong. It's very wrong. But the fact that she's a landlady is not the right to do
It's okay. It's okay. I will handle it. Don't worry. Don't worry.
Ikem, you are challenging me in my own house. Nabemu, you are challenging your landlord. I will tell you what it takes to be alone. You are working million landlord.
Landlord, I'm very careful. Landlord, I'm very careful. Just give me go ahead. Can I hear them?
Barrister, listen to me. I want you to prepare charge. I want you to prepare charge immediately. Yes, I'm in the office. I'm heading to my house. Prepare charge and come to my house. These tenants they want to train me. Can you believe it? They broke a well in my house. To fix the iron gate or whatever in my own house without my consent. So prepare charge and start coming there immediately. Yes.
Landlord, I'm very careful.
Yes.
Landlord, I'm very careful. Just give me go ahead.
In that case, let me call in the welder.
Okay, then bring him in. I think it's better to bring the welder to come to them. Just go ahead and go protect him.
Good afternoon.
You're welcome. My co-tenant here told me what you guys discussed. But the truth of the matter is your price is so high.
Listen, this is one of our co-tenant's wife. She's interested in the whole thing.
So what I'm saying in essence is, if you can cut down from your price, you'll go ahead to do the project for everybody.
You see? That's what I told you. If you cut down the price, other tenants will like to do it.
Okay, it's not my fault. It's not my fault. You know that things are very costly in the market. Materials are too costly, okay? It's not my fault.
We know. Okay, let's go so you see them now.
Can you go there?
Eh?
Let's
go. No, but you guys should just stay. Let's go.
he will soon be back. Barrister. Yes. One of our tenants brought a welder to put iron protector for him. After my husband told him that he doesn't want anyone to do so.
Don't worry, we'll take a legal action. Okay? Hence, Chief told them from onset not to do that.
Oh.
That's a breach of contract. Leave that to me. Hmm?
If you can cut down your money, you will help me put my own also, because I would like to put my own too. Like mine now, just from here to there, you cover it. Then I think other of my neighbors would like to do it too. Or if you cut down the price. It's going to be other neighbors. That is why I said you can use 2x2 by doing this one now. Use 2x2 and construct this one. Then other people would like to use the same quality.
Officer! These are the men, arrest all of them. The remaining ones will be arrested later. Arrest these ones. Arrest all of them.
Landlord, what have you done?
And you are the welder. You are the welder. You will be arrested too. You are an idiot. But so that say will be all into yourself as a block. Now we will block. Keep on block. He went never been my block. Arrest him. Arrest the welder.
Hey, shut up your mouth! Silence! See, just like anything you say here will be against your yes. Shut up! Are you mad? What's wrong with you? Shut up!
Where is my lawyer? My lawyer is supposed to be here by now. Hey, tell me.
Oh, you're here.
Honey.
Arrest them.
Oh, honey, my lawyer is here.
Shut up! Shut up! So, your wife came to my house and fought me, and you are here to arrest my husband as well?
Including you! No problem, no, why them will sell them wine? No problem, no, we're taking a sell them wine.
Oh, Maro, they will sell them wine.
Put it in now. Then you see the other side of the
you know, wine on. Betchan! Onyori, you criminal! You kept on stealing my compound, Abi? Onyori!
I want to take them to the police station.
Which of the stations?
Faking! Faking! Police! This way for the go!
Oh, yeah, now! Up in a wire! In a wire! Everybody! Oh, say it's good.
Hey, please pick your call. Hello? Honey, please don't come back home. Don't come home now. There's trouble. Yes, Oga came brought welder to fix his iron protector. Yes, and the landlord went and called the police to arrest him. He arrested both came and Pat. They said they will come back and arrest the others when they return. So don't come home. It's not safe, Biko. Don't come home. Okay. Alright. Okay. Be careful. I'll call you. Okay.
What are we going to do?
I don't know the reason we have as a landlord. Eh?
Hi. Why is all this happening? I don't want him to arrest my husband. He can't arrest him. Why don't you call someone? Like anybody, a lawyer or something?
I do, but he's not in town.
She's wicked, oh. Do you know the police station you took it?
They don't know him at all. But they will test the iron at the station. Then they go and take the iron at the station. When they come out, all of them will pack out from this compound.
I'm very careful.
Yes.
I'm very careful.
Hi. Don't worry yourself. I'll let her come to the shop.
Not a silly summer with my own money.
Good for them. Everybody wants to run show that. She will know that she's not yet about mine. She is yet to grow. She is yet to grow. To be about one on the pan easy. Not uneasy. Landlady. Not easy to be a landlady.
This is my house.
Hey, baby.
This is my house. I like as it day. Oh, what no do. If I baby go.
Officer, we have not done anything wrong. Officer, we did nothing wrong. Officer, we have done nothing wrong.
Lawyer, listen to me now, please. I don't want anybody to bail these people. I don't want anybody to visit them. I don't want it at all. They should not be bailed or anybody visit them. Did you hear me?
Chief, don't you think that is above against the law?
Against which law? Listen to me. It
could be dangerous.
Now listen to me. It will not be any dangerous. What are you telling me? What's the law? Where can you hear about the law? Please, let's go and talk to the
Landlord, I'm very careful. Landlord, I'm very careful. Just give me go ahead.
What do we do now? If you go in there, he will arrest you.
Should I run? I have not done anything. What is it?
So how do you go about it? Maybe you should go and beg him more.
Beg him for what? For what? Papa, Mom. See, even if that man comes to that house, I'm not begging him. I'm not ready to beg anybody. What is it? See, I'm going back to the house.
What kind of wahala is this? I know follow is 5,000 though. I know why I'm telling you this.
Ordinaka, be a man. Will police kill you? Fanebu Mado. See, let him arrest us. Eh? Papa, Mom, our landlord. Don't worry, you will see a man that's bigger than him. What you saying?
That's what you say?
Yes, that's what I say.
That's your stand?
Yes, now.
Okay, let's go.
Honey, I'm back.
Oh, honey, you're back. How did you go?
Hey! Don't tell me yourself.
Hey! That sounds them right.
I mean,
when they come out, they will face ejection.
You know, I told the police people that they should not allow, under no circumstances, allow anybody to see them or visit them.
Good.
Now, if I hear that rubbish again, I'm going to go lawyer.
Think about against the law. Hey!
I will deal with them.
Yes! You did the right thing.
Did I know what it means to be a landlord?
Water raw. Only leave them. Eh? My honey.
Your happiness is my cause.
Hi.
Daddy, good afternoon.
Baby girl, yes, you're welcome. Guess what? Your father has done it.
Done what?
Those two stupid tenants are now in the cell.
Yes! I'm so happy.
Yes.
But I think this is the right time to teach all those useless this tenant a lesson.
I want to you.
Nonsense.
Not there is even a landlord now, landlady now.
Can you imagine it? Morning. She was begging me in the morning.
Eh?
She was begging me and she was also kneeling down. And I told her, lie down. And she did it with immediate effect.
You don't have a choice. You don't have any choice.
What a choice?
Yes, because I told her, I ordered her that she should be obeying you.
Yes.
Can you have a landlord? Can you have a landlord? How would I would just do that.
Open a shop, open that shop immediately.
Nonsense.
Let me see what the wives of those two fools will do.
What they do? They won't do anything. This is even your landlord.
This is not.
Hey, we have no choice. We cheap up. We cheap, Billy. Billy, you. I told you to come up say. Can you do tenancy agreement?
I'm very careful. Just give me go ahead. Can I hear them? I toast it summer with my own money.
Honey, why did you come back home? I thought I called you and told you to stay back. What if they arrest you?
Let him come and arrest me again. Do I have to stay out of my house because of him?
Hey,
I'm back home. Let him come and arrest me. Let me see.
Pico, you know how these false people behave. I don't have 10,000 to give to anybody. I don't have 10,000 to bail you with. Please.
If they arrest me, I will bail myself with 10,000. I will still call another welder to come and fix it.
Just calm. Just don't shout. It's okay. Don't shout. Can you stop and say don't shout?
Where's my son?
Just give me go ahead. Can I hear them? I toast it summer with my own money. Hey, 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 hey,
Good day, officer.
Good day, madam.
We are here to see Mr. Pat and Mr. Ike.
Okay, so you can't see them now.
Why?
You say you can't see them. Are you deaf?
Officer, what is this now? Why are you doing this now? Because let's just sit there. Won't take your time now, please,
Try to understand it. It's order from above. Nobody can see them from now. Please.
Why? What did they do? It's not fair. What you people are doing is not fair. Or drop one mouth. I don't want to see our husbands now.
Our landlord has given you go order not to see our husbands, Abi.
Madam, watch your tongue. Watch your tongue. Or don't put it inside the cell.
You want it like that? Put me now, so I will not see my mind again.
This is the problem you women have. You think shouting or all these things will change any situation? Yes. Or give you access to see your husband? Eh? Do you know how much a bag of cement is sold in the market? That you cannot respect your landlord once. Eh?
See, try. Just the cry.
It's okay. Then God will judge all of you.
God will judge you.
God will judge all of you.
Get out of here. Get the guy out. Hey. Because of hard work you're doing.
Our landlord, please, we are here to plead with you on behalf of our co-tenants. Please, release them. We never knew they were good to that extent.
Yes? Because they think they are wise. They think they are wise.
Madam, please. Use your CWO mind and pity your fellow women. Beg your landlord and Abi.
Shut up! With your nonsense. If not for this, my wife here, if not for the way she begged me, I would have arrested all of you. But thank her because she was the one that begged me. And I want you all to know that I will charge them for attempt to property destruction. That's what I'm going to charge them. So that we know that even landlord, they won't have it. They are not happy about it. They go and build their house.
No, now. Lord, please, have mercy on them. I'm begging you, madam, please talk to him.
Nebiko, what to Obi?
Obi?
Madam.
You welcome. Their wives should come and beg me.
Yes.
They should come and kneel down and beg me.
That is how it should be.
Else, their husbands will rot in there.
That's right.
Charlotte, come back later. Your landlord, respect your landlord, respect your landlord.
Simple.
Landlord. Landlord, I'm very careful. Just give me go ahead. Can I hear them? Auto city summer with my own money. Hey, 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 Tenant, yo, this is my house, yo. Even the way you see it, yo, you got
I have Hero, I have Star, I have Legend, I have everything. Anything.
Ojwaloyi, is it good? Legend.
Legend.
Yeah.
Hey. Did you not follow them to go and beg of the landlord?
Why should I follow them? When I told them to forget about the issue, they refused. As you can see, I'm just coming back from Lagos. I am very tired.
What Oga Landlord is doing is not good though. It's not good though. How can he just arrest those men like that? They are married men, oh. Ha!
That is their business and not mine. You cannot force a man to do what he doesn't want to do in his house. If they want to pack out, let them pack out.
Emeka, what you are saying is not good though. It's not right. Eh? You are living downstairs and besides, you are not married. I know what these people are going through. Any of their kids could fall down from there.
Eh? Are you asking me to marry you or what?
You
never marry you. I never marry you.
You know one you became. You know
you know good.
You know. Get out of my sight.
So you have been around and you did not come upstairs. Have you not heard what is happening?
Did anyone die?
Go there, Judea. They may expect more than one. Your floor tenants were arrested. I'm not going to be your landlord. I see anybody die. Eh? What am I being at you?
Am I the only one who don't see it? Have you been seeing me since last week? Look at this guy, so.
Why are you sounding like this? Yes, you are the only one we didn't see. Some of them are the only one you didn't see since last week. What call it?
Eh?
What is it?
Can you imagine? I told you guys to forget about this iron protector operating. But you people went ahead and meet landlord. Nobody listening, nobody want to hear me out. It's obvious that landlord is not agreed. So what do you want me to do? What do you want me to do? Eh? So here. For what?
Because you're a beast. I know it. I say not the things because you live downstairs.
Now, you're
not even married. How will you understand what you are passing through? How?
Okay, say can you imagine? Look at this in one. Are you talking to me like that? Why must you talk to me like that? Hey!
Landlord, I'm very careful. Landlord, I'm very careful. Just give me go ahead.
Why is this man so bad? This matter will not end like this. This matter will not end here.
Look at me. Look at me. I'm inside the cell. Eh? Me, I want to be a man for Mama Lawa. Who do I want to be a man for Mama Lawa? Nah, you don't want to see. No. You get to the episode. You get to the episode. Oh. God.
We've been in this cell for so many hours now. None of our wives are shown up.
Yo.
Shut up, Alice. Sorry, sir.
Dikeh. Oh, yeah, good enough, fella.
No,
on the way. On the way.
Now,
I'm very careful. I'm very careful. Just give me go ahead. Can I hear them? A toasty summer with my own money. Hey, 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 hey.
How did it go?
Can you imagine? They pursued us and refused us for seeing our husband.
Hi! Seriously?
I will not take this. I can't accept it. It will not end here.
Maka,
What kind of nonsense is that?
Calm down. Please. Two captains cannot be in one ship. Man now about their parents. They are the landlord, we are their tenants. Because.
And so, landlord my foot.
Maka, please, calm down. Calm down. Don't worsen matters here. The wife said two of you must come here. Do it and let's have peace.
I will never try that. I will never beg her. Never.
You have to do it, else your husband will rot in there. You know how we can do that. Please. Or do you have money to hire a lawyer?
But it's not fair now. It's not fair.
Do anything you can in the sake of peace. That's my point.
What did they do?
We all
tell me.
We know that. You know these people already.
You know them.
The point here is, you can do landlord of it. Landlord of the same thing. So there's no point overflowing it.
Okay.
Hey!
Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, sir.
I thought you are seeing me as your mate, eh? Do you know how much a bag of cement is? Someone of buying a land to build a house. Eh? Idiots.
Ma, please, we are sorry. Biko.
You can't be begging me and standing up, oh. You should know that. Come on, kneel down.
Biko, forgive me. Biko, Landlady Biko.
Ma, we are sorry. Please.
Honey, take it easy. Just bring your heart down. But I want to tell you people something. This is a woman affair. And she's handling the matter now. Yeah, she's the one to handle it. Okay? But what I want to tell you people is this. Her happiness is my priority. When she's happy, I am happy. When she's not happy, I am not happy. Okay? And Madam Ebere, it's unfortunate. People should start, putting your things together. Because men didn't notice.
Afuma now.
Men didn't.
Landlady, please, we are sorry. Please, we are really sorry.
Get out. It's okay. They will release anytime I feel okay.
Honey, are we going to help her?
You people should go now. They will release when I feel okay. Go now.
Thank you. Thank you.
God has been blessing me.
Honey, I like your stand.
Now.
I like your stand. But these people, their problem is that they don't know
their level. They don't know where they belong. They're supposed to know where they belong. You have to be where you belong.
Now,
all fingers are not equal. They're here, I am there. So,
this is my house. Live the way you see it.
Honey, please. I don't want you to go there. What if they arrest you?
Nothing will happen. How can I just be in this compound and not go to the police station to see my neighbors? What kind of neighbors would they say we are? I will go there. I will. Please get me food, let me eat. So I can go there on time.
Just don't know why.
We will see to the end of this month.
Take.
Landlord, what is this?
It's quick notice.
So, Landlord, after all our pleading, you still went ahead to give us quick notice.
Now, pleading the country alone. Now, in the Jalana, we go block, we go cement, but in the alone pleading. When your husband comes back, give him this thing and you people are packing out immediately.
Rubbish.
We'll give an out on you.
When you're done, get out of my house. Nonsense.
Don't worry. So you will see what I'll do to you. You people will not only quit this house. Mambo China seven more. I want to dinner and you move. Now we
just
don't worry.
Hey! With my own money.
Oh my God. Eh? This is a very big insult. Who is she? Who is the very bad? Go and deal with that woman. Who is she?
Don't worry.
I want to go and scatter a berry now. What is wrong with her?
This is my house.
Daddy, what do you want to do now?
Call the lawyer. Call the lawyer immediately.
No, I don't want to call the lawyer. I want to handle it my own way.
Hi.
In the next 10 minutes, they are beginning to dig. In the next 10 minutes, they will see their load outside.
Better.
I will not involve lawyer. I will not involve police. My place will do it.
Good.
Better.
I want them to be disgraced. Disgrace them. What kind of rubbish was that?
Imagine.
Who is the very one?
I don't
Okay. They will be disgraced in the street.
They will know what it means to be a landlord of my level.
What kind of nonsense was that?
I am connected.
Is she a... Oh my God.
Is she a landlady? Me, I want to go landlady. I want to go landlord. Hi.
Ebere.
Oh, now who can open you? Oh, where's the respect?
You don't know.
What you want these people landlord?
Don't worry. You got me here, man.
Hey, get Korea Karotiar.
Oh, Suberia.
Get Korea Karotiar. Nkaya Kyoso. I will beat her again. And this time around,
I'm very careful. Just give me go ahead.
Junior, what have you done again? How many times have I wanted?
Hey! How
many times have I wanted?
Please, it's not his fault. He's a child.
What kind of child is he? Is he blind?
He slipped and fell.
So?
He should be careful when he's walking.
Jesus!
Where is he? What happened? Where?
I tell you before, but you know
Who was this rat?
I don't want this guy walk again.
Look at what you're wearing.
Come on. Come on, workshop clothes.
You cannot watch it because it's your workshop.
Carry some for you.
I'll check whether my tape today complete.
See big shoes, I'll go back from see big shoe.
I might sweat with this.
Collect them.
I'll go back from where will sign?
Sign it.
No food, pepper, see the sign. Come sign.
Sign. Yeah.
This kind of work. Next time, we'll see what's happening.
The next time I said please I will beat you.
Come with this kind of work.
On top of this line.
Just inside where you don't sign, come out. Just stop for nothing.
See, this way they be like.
Whatever situation, let me know. Let me know. Hello?
What are we going to do? Eh? Hey! This is so painful, oh. Hey! This is so painful. The little boy is so innocent. What are we going to do?
Daddy, you would have allowed them to put that protector. I don't.
Come shut up! Nonsense. In fact, you people should allow me to think. Okay, now go to Mara.
Hey, go. Mommy.
Don't let this boy to die, you.
Hey!
God, please. God, please don't let this boy die. He's good. Don't let him die, yo. Please. Hey!
Nothing will happen to him, Mommy.
Please, God, don't let him die. Don't let him die. Please.
Landlord, I'm very careful. Landlord, I'm very careful. Just give me go ahead.
Junior doesn't deserve to die.
Chief Omire, if anything happens to this boy, your children will die this way. In Jesus' name.
Oh, Junior.
Oh, no do. If I maybe go.
seen it? Have you seen it? When people are talking, they have reason for saying whatever they are saying. Eh? What our landlord did is not good. Odurama, I just pray that little boy will survive this.
I'm not happy at all. I'm not in support of what landlord did. But I was trying to tell them to take it easy, not to be that force.
Happen here, because happen here. They are trying to cover up. Whoever supports evil will see evil. I just pray to God that our landlord will not go scot-free from this. And all those supporting him.
What I trying to say? So no, tell me, what I trying to say? Why do you saying that? Why look like me? Why say
that? Baro gugenwo. Nde ba anye se. O metu imi, o metu onu. Wait, why are you even here? I thought you said you are a strong man, iron man. Why didn't you go to your workshop? Why? I see for who take it. You were not here. You were idiot. Hey. Okay, Ken. I'm on. Hey, no, welcome. Hey, welcome. I'm so happy.
If you don't have money, let me pay him now.
You are back. Hey, come on.
When did you come back?
My brother, his sister did. I had what happened.
Well, you have seen it now. You've seen it that whatever we are doing, we are doing it for the sake of everybody living in the compound. But it's well.
That same thing you people were trying to avoid has finally happened this morning.
What happened? Oginime, did anyone pack out of the yard?
No, Odinaka's son fell down from that corridor. Wham! Hey! I'm not even sure he's alive.
You mean Junior?
Junior! Hey! Hey!
He brought quick notice when you were inside.
Who?
The landlord.
The landlord? Where is the notice?
I tore it and flung it on his face.
Good. Very good.
I made it clear to him that we're not leaving this house.
Never!
Honey, hope they didn't touch you.
They didn't touch me. What is it I heard downstairs? What am I hearing? Talk to me. What is it I'm hearing downstairs?
It's Junior.
Jesus Christ.
He fell down from the balcony.
If Chief had listened to us when we reached out to him, this wouldn't have happened. If Chief had listened, Junior wouldn't have died. Where will Lord Inaka start from?
How will he cope? Chifomire. Chifomire.
Baby, I am no longer comfortable in this place. Please, we really need to pack out. For the sake of our daughter, please.
I can't withstand such a thing happening to my daughter.
No, no, God forbid. It's not our portion.
God, why? God, I'm asking you why? Is it a crime to be a tenant? No, answer me now. Is it a crime to be a tenant? Zalob, I'm asking you. Why is it that anyone that becomes a landlord suddenly forms lord over their tenants? You created these fingers, right? You've never made them equal. Chifomire. Oh.
It's okay. It's alright, huh? Everything will be fine. Don't worry. One day it will meet his Waterloo.
This is someone's child. We have an origin I can start from.
It's okay. It's alright.
My heart is bleeding. My heart is bleeding. My heart is bleeding.
What do you want me to do if you're crying like this? It's alright. I missed you.
Landlord, I'm very careful. Landlord, I'm very careful. Just give me go ahead. Can't have them. Auto series summer with my own money. Hey, 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 hey. This is my house, live the way you see it, you got to go. I'm gonna this is my house, I like I see day. Oh, what not do, if I maybe go. Oh, for mama, one jolly tea fair, macano melly fair. I warned you before, but you no agree. I tell you before, but you no agree. Oh, Landlord, I'm very careful. Landlord, I'm very careful. Just give me go ahead. Can't have them. Auto series summer with my own money. Hey, 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 hey.
So, how was it? How did it go?
As usual, though, as if I know this man would always maintain his stand. He refused.
Tony, I don't want you to be in the front here. Just let others do theirs first before you do it. You know how stubborn and wicked this man could be. Oh, please.